Have you ever listened to native English speakers and thought, wow, they sound so natural? It's not because they use complicated vocabulary, it's because they rely on simple phrases that fit seamlessly into everyday life. Today, I'm excited to share some powerful phrases that will help make your English sound smooth and confident. Hello, friends. Welcome back to Plain Simple English. If you're joining us for the first time, this is the place where learning English feels easy, friendly, and truly part of your real world. Today's lesson is the second part of our series on phrases. We're going to practice phrases that not only help you communicate, but also help you connect with people in a meaningful way. So, take a deep breath, relax, and let's imagine ourselves in real conversations as we learn together. Phrase 1. I really appreciate it. This phrase is a wonderful way to express gratitude warmly and sincerely. For example, thank you for helping me with my project. I really appreciate it. This shows that you value the other person's effort. Another example could be, I really appreciate it when you explain things clearly. This not only thanks them, but also encourages them to continue being helpful. Phrase 2. I was wondering if. This phrase is perfect for making your questions sound polite and gentle. For instance, I was wondering if you could help me with my homework. This makes your request feel less demanding. Another example might be, I was wondering if you know where the library is. This way, you're inviting a conversation rather than just asking for information. Phrase 3. That would be great. This phrase expresses agreement and positivity, making conversations feel more upbeat. For example, if someone asks, can we meet tomorrow, you can respond with, yes, that would be great. This shows enthusiasm for the plan. Another example could be, would you like some tea? You can reply, that would be great, making the other person feel good about their offer. Phrase 4. I'll get back to you. This phrase is incredibly useful when you need a little time before providing an answer. For instance, if someone asks you a question and you're unsure, you can say, I don't know the answer right now, but I'll get back to you. This shows that you're willing to follow up. Another example might be, I'll get back to you after I check my schedule. This keeps the conversation open and shows you're considerate of their time. Phrase 5. I'm looking forward to. This phrase expresses excitement about something in the future, making your conversations more positive. For example, I'm looking forward to meeting you tomorrow. This conveys eagerness and anticipation. Another example could be, I'm looking forward to the weekend. This can spark a fun conversation about plans. Now, my dear friends, here's a fun challenge for you. Choose one phrase each day and use it in 2 different sentences, just like we did here. This practice will help these phrases become a natural part of your speech. So, here's the big idea. Phrases are like shortcuts to sounding natural in English. They save you from overthinking grammar and help you connect with people instantly. The more you practice them, the more confident and human your English will feel. If you enjoyed this lesson, share it with a friend who's also learning English. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which phrase will you use today in real life? Together, we'll turn English practice into everyday conversations, making it a fun and engaging experience.